Hey Fact Trojan, this video is not about theories, it's kind of informative video. So today, I'll talk about microcontrollers, which has become a very common word nowadays. A microcontroller is a computer system on a chip that does a job. It contains of integrated processor, memory, and programmable input-output peripherals, which are used to interact with things connected to the chip. A microcontroller is different than a microprocessor, which only contains a CPU, the kind used in personal computers. Microcontrollers often operate at very low speed compared to the microprocessor, at clock speed of as little as 32 kHz. But this is useful for typical application. They also consume very little power, milliwatts or even microwatts. Today we are going to talk about Arduino, the most famous, cheap and open source microcontroller. I have two members of its family, the Arduino Uno and Arduino Nano. Arduino refers to open source electronic platform or board and the software used to program it. Arduino is designed to make electronics more accessible to artists, designers, hobbyists and anyone interested in it. A pre-assembled Arduino board includes a microcontroller which is programmed using Arduino programming language and the Arduino development environment. In essence, this platform provides a way to build and program electronic components. Arduino programming language is simplified form of C language based on what Arduino calls sketches, which use basic programming structures, variables and functions. These are then converted into a C++ program. Let's see what's inside this thing. And here goes the legendary Arduino Uno. Now let's talk about this Arduino Uno schematics. So this is the USB plug that goes right into your computer or laptop, and these are the digital pins. They are used for shields, etc., and they are also used for driving servos. Their values are accurate, and these are the analog pins. They are used for taking the output from the sensors, and these are the power pins like 3 volts, 5 volts, ground, etc. And this is the heart of the chip. This is Atmega 3328. This is the bootloader as well as the microcontroller. Arduino as a whole is not a microcontroller. It's a microcontroller embedded in the chip. The Atmega is embedded in the Arduino, and the other things are used for its connectivity by these pins. Like it needs resistor for power control and other ICs for doing a lot of stuff. Sorry, I forgot to tell you one thing, that I'm starting a new series named Not a Tutorial, in which I will show you the projects that I made from this chip, and I will show its basic use, as well as I will also tell you the components I have used for making that project, and I will also try to upload the code for every project so that you can try that project yourself. Well, that's it for today. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.